Hey everyone! Alright, let's wrap up this project. The idea to make a small knife with a floral design came to me a long time ago. I even bought a simple knife for it. But then I thought about it and decided it was too basic. It wouldn't be that interesting for you guys to watch, so I put the idea aside for better times. It's been over a year, one challenging project after another. With each one, I was always trying to raise the level of my work. By the time I reached the last project, the fatigue had really built up. It was a tough piece, difficult steel, and an incredibly detailed design that demanded full attention. You can watch a video of that project on my channel. I'll leave the link in the end screen. After finishing it, I decided to slow down a bit and work on something simpler. So I came back to the idea of a small knife with flowers. How I made it, you've probably already seen that part. The flowers in the design are clematis, different varieties growing on the same vine. Clematis grows from the ground and climbs upward, kind of like wild grapevines. With proper care, it's an incredibly beautiful flower. A few words about the technique I used to put the design onto the metal. It's called electrochemical etching. To work with this method, you need a simple saltwater solution and a lab power supply. The basic steps of the etching process are shown in the video itself. With that knowledge, creating a simple design or ornament is quite easy, the rest just comes with experience. I also want to point out that I use proper ventilation that vents outside, along with gloves and other protective gear whenever it's needed. Every metal has its own properties and each one comes with its own safety requirements. The technique itself isn't new. One of the earliest mentions of electrochemical etching goes back to 1803. A Russian scientist, Vasily Petrov, conducted experiments on the electrochemical dissolution of metals, which can be considered some of the first observations of this process. By the late 19th century, electrochemical etching found its place in decorative metalwork, creating patterns on weapons, jewelry, and everyday objects. Today, craftsmen still use it for things like part marking, etching logos, or an artist's signature. But the most fascinating direction, in my opinion, is multi-layer artistic etching. It's a real challenge for a craftsman, a complex puzzle on a metal canvas, a deep dive into art, and that's the path I'm aiming for, together with you. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you left a like or a comment, thank you so much. And if you supported the channel through a membership, a special thank you to you. Until next time.